Very good morning, dear guys. Today we are going to see the another one story, The Adventures of Toto. The Adventures of Toto. It is in the book Moments. Okay, Moments. The another one book that you have in your syllabus. This story is from that one. Okay, this is second one story, The Adventures of Toto. This has been written by Ruskin Bond. This has been written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, so now first of all we will see here the characters of the story. Okay, characters. What are the characters here? Okay, here actually you will find a boy is there who is the speaker of the story. Okay, nothing more is given about the boy. Okay, just speaker of the story, it is given there. Okay, then second thing you will find the second important character, that is Toto. Okay, Toto, it is a monkey. Okay, a baby monkey, we can say a baby monkey. A baby monkey it is, Toto. And here it is a main character, we can say here main character of the story is Toto. Okay, main character. Besides, you can say here main character of the story, and then the whole story revolves around him. The whole story revolves around Toto. Okay, revolves around Toto, the monkey, the baby monkey. The whole story revolves around the monkey Toto, baby monkey. Okay, here he is very mischievous. Very mischievous he is. Very mischievous. Okay, very mischievous he is. बहुत ज़्यादा mischievous है, बदमाश, naughty. Okay, the monkey is. Okay, then second thing you will find about the monkey is bother everyone. Okay, or troubles everyone of the family of the boy who, द स्पीकर. जो स्पीकर यहाँ जो बॉय है, उस फैमिली के हर एक व्यक्ति को वो ट्रबल करता है, परेशान करता है, दिक्कतें देता है. कौन? द मंकी टोटो. ओके, बिसाइड्स यू विल फाइंड दैट even he troubles the pet animals the grandfather had. ग्रैंडफादर के पास जितने भी पेट एनिमल्स थे उन सबको भी वो परेशान करता है. यस, एट लास्ट क्या होता है? एट लास्ट ग्रैंडफादर sold him back to the tanga driver. Okay, to tanga driver. Yes, sold him back. उसको वापस बेच देते हैं टांगा ड्राइवर को. किसे? टोटो, द बेबी मंकी. वेरी मिशीवस, वेरी नॉटी, ट्रबल एवरीवन. ओके, हर एक व्यक्ति को ट्रबल करता है. इवन टू द पेट एनिमल्स ग्रैंडफादर हैड, टू एवरीवन. ही नेवर लिव कामली और साइलेंटली. ओके, ही नेवर लिव्ड. So at last grandfather understood that he is not to keep in the house. So at last he sold him back to the tanga driver from whom he had purchased earlier. जिसके पास से उसको परचेज किया था, खरीदा था, उसी को वो वापस बेच देते हैं. So this way here the Toto, the monkey is the main character of the story. Okay, second one main character, do write if you want to. Then the second one main character is here grandfather. Okay, grandfather is another main character of the story. Okay, grandfather. Grandfather. Okay, grandfather is another one main character of the story. Okay, grandfather of the boy. Okay, grandfather of the boy, okay, of the boy means कौन सा, जो स्पीकर है, ओके, उस लड़के के ग्रैंडफादर है. एंड he was animal lover. Okay, animal lover he was, had a private zoo, और इनका खुद का एक प्राइवेट जू था. वेयर वर मेनी एनिमल्स, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स थे, उनकी लिस्ट भी दिए है, टॉर्टाइज, रैबिट्स एटसेट्रा. ओके, इवन डंकी, नाना वाज देयर आल्सो. ओके, सो दिस वे ही हैड अ प्राइवेट जू एंड he bought a baby monkey to add to his zoo. Okay, एक बेबी मंकी खरीद लेते हैं to add to his zoo. Okay, but the monkey troubled a lot to everyone, even he did many means more loss. Okay, more losses he do. The monkey Toto did many loss, okay, to the family. So here they were not rich enough. Okay, means here the grandfather was not rich enough. Okay, rich enough to bear all the losses. So he sold him back. Okay, so he sold him back to the tanga driver. So this is about grandfather of the speaker boy. Okay, so besides, again another character is there. Do write if you want to write about grandfather. Then the fourth one character is grandmother. Okay, another one, grandmother is also there. Grandmother of the boy. Okay, grandmother of the boy. So here you will find that grandmother was not ready, means she was against the zoo, against grandfather's opinion to keep the animals in the zoo. Okay, she was against it. She did not like to keep the animals at home. Okay, so she did not like, okay, did not like to keep animals at home. Okay, so what happened? The news of Toto was kept secret for some days from her. Okay, it's kept secret for some days from her. Then what happens here? Grandmother at last agreed. She agreed to add Toto to the zoo. Okay, to the zoo. Then what happens there? थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन ग्रैंडमदर के बारे में है. देन शी मेड समथिंग. The monkey Toto came or jump on the desk, means dining table. He break everything there. He threw the plates here and there, and then he went back. So likewise, these things are given there. Okay. So this is all about grandmother. She did not like monkey Toto at all. She did not like it at all. Okay, उसको बिल्कुल भी वो पसंद नहीं करती है. So this is just a minor character here. Okay, minor character. Minor character is grandmother, and again another is aunts. Okay, minor characters, actually you can say minor characters. Okay, in that first one, grandmother, that we have seen. Second are aunts. Okay, aunts are there again. Aunts of the boy. Okay, to whom the monkey Toto troubled a lot. Even he pulled their saris. Okay, their saris, उनके सारी जो थी उनको pull करता था. Even he was making hole in them. Okay, even he threw plates on their faces. He means the monkey Toto was very naughty, very mischievous. He even threw the plates on them, on their faces, on the faces of aunts. Okay, and again besides there, the another minor character is ticket collector. Okay, ticket collector is there again, another minor character. Then the fourth one is again Nana. Okay, Nana is also there. A donkey. Okay, a donkey in tabela. Okay, in the tabela of Nana there was again a donkey named Nana. So these are the minor characters: grandmother, aunts of the boy, ticket collector, and Nana, a donkey. And main characters are grandfather, Toto, and the boy. Okay, so this way these are the characters. Now let's see the plot, the story. What is the story here? Okay, to write these characters. Now let's see the plot, story. Okay, plot of the story. So here what is there? First of all, you will find that grandfather. Okay, grandfather bought a baby monkey named Toto. Okay, very bright he was, बहुत ब्राइट, बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था. एंड दैट्स वाई मीन्स एंड फ्रॉम इससे खरीदा इन्होंने फ्रॉम अ टांगा ड्राइवर के पास से ये खरीद लेते. ओके, टांगा ड्राइवर के पास से खरीद लेते हैं फॉर 5 रुपीज, फॉर द सम ऑफ 5 रुपीज. ओके, फॉर द सम ऑफ 5 रुपीज, 5 रुपए में वो खरीद लेते हैं. ओके, देन brought it home but kept it in secret. Okay, kept it in secrecy, you can say secrecy. Why? Because grandmother would fought with him, and that's why grandfather kept it in secret. Okay, in the room of the boy. Okay, in the room of the boy, उस बॉय के रूम में उसे रख देते हैं. एंड there he did many mischievous things. Okay, so there, as we have seen the character of the monkey, he did many mischievous things. He pulled out the peg, he tore the browser of the boy into pieces. He tore it. Means such a mischievous things he did there in the room. Even the papers, posters the grandfather had stuck on the wall, he all tore them out. All the papers, all the posters. Even he tore out the pull out the peg that was there in the wall. So these mischievous things he did there in the room. So what happened there then? Then it was shifted to another one zoo. Means another one zoo means with other animals. Okay, he was shifted there. But there in the zoo, he did not allow any animal to sleep well throughout the night. He was bothering all the animals. Okay, all the animals, all the pet the grandfather had. So then what happened? An incident is given there. Grandfather was about to go to somewhere to get his salary. Okay, to get his salary. Okay, grandfather was about to go to Saharanpur to get his pension. Okay, pension का amount collect करने के लिए उनको सहारनपुर जाना था. So what happened there? He took Toto along. अपने साथ में टोटो को भी लेके गए. But there in the platform in the railway station, something odd happened. Okay, as it was not allowed, he was so mischievous, and that's why grandfather kept Toto in a bag. Okay, which was strong enough, okay, or strong one. So what happened there? Monkey Toto tried a lot to came out of the bag, and in that attempts, what happened? The bag which was there on the platform rolled, sometimes jumping up, rolling over the floor. So it was what you can say scene. It was a funny scene for the passerbys who were there on the station. They all were looking at the scene, which was very funny and amazing for them. Okay, was wondering for them how the bag was jumping in the air, how it was rolling all along. Yes, so that was not understood by them, but it was such a funny incident for them. At last, what happened when grandfather came out of the station at the Saharanpur station? What happened there? Ticket collector asked him for the ticket, and there suddenly what happened? Toto the monkey came out of the bag and gave a scream to him, means showed him his teeth, which frightened the ticket collector. So then ticket collector asked grandfather for the ticket of the quadruped, that means monkey. But grandfather did not have, so he paid some extra money for his fare. Okay, so this way again another tortoise was with him, but he did not ask for the fare of tortoise, but the fare for Toto grandfather had to pay. So this way these two incidents are mentioned in the story of Toto, how he embarrassed grandfather while he was going to Saharanpur. Okay, सहारनपुर जाते समय कैसे उसको embarrass किया, ये दो incident वहाँ दिए हुए हैं. Then when he came back, he all this told to his grandson, जो यहाँ के speaker है उनको वो सारी चीज़ बताते हैं. And then what happened? After some time, after the grandmother agreed, Toto was kept in the tabela with donkey Nana. So there again, same thing he did. He did not allow donkey Nana to sleep all night. He even bite that donkey. Okay, उस donkey को भी even उसने bite किया. Yes, so that is how he was mischievous. Yes, so when grandfather went there to the tabela to see whether he was sleeping or not, he found there that he was not sleeping. Actually, he was stick to the ears of donkey. Yes, उसके कानों को वो चिपका हुआ था, उसको काट रहा था. So that is how mischievous he was. Then what happened? One day when ants were there in their house, he came to them, he pulled their sari, made hole in them, tried to make hole in them, in the saris, and then he jumped on the dining table. Whatever the food was prepared there, he just threw here and there. Then the plates, when grandmother came to threw him away, what happened there? He threw plate at her. Then aunts tried, so again the same thing he did. And when grandfather came, he picked up the bowl where the rice was made. He picked up that and went outside of the kitchen through the window and climbed up the tree. Okay, so that is what the story. And then from there he finished all the food. Okay, he finished all and threw the plate on the floor and broke it into pieces, just to insult grandmother. So here, then after that day, after some days, we have seen that it is given there, he tore the pardas, curtains, then sofa, many more. He was breaking every day. He was breaking one after another every day. So much loss was there. So at last, what happened there? Grandfather understood that he is not to keep in the home. So he sold him back to the tanga driver in only 3 rupees. सिर्फ 3 रुपए में उसको बेच दिया. And at last, this is the story of the monkey Toto. Okay, यही उस monkey की Toto की story. Got it? So this is all about the adventures of Toto, and here all the deeds he did. Okay, जो भी उसने वहाँ घर में काम किया, the mischievous things, breaking, tearing, all these things are called here adventures. Why? Because this word is given by grandfather. So same title here, the speaker gave here adventures of Toto. Actually, these all were the mischievous deeds of Toto, but here, as per grandfather's view, these all deeds are called here adventures of Toto. So I hope you got the slight idea about the story. We will deal it in detail, line by line, okay, in our next video lectures. So see you guys in the next video lecture. Bye bye. Keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes.